Owning a home is often seen as a dream come true, a place to call your own, build equity, and create lifelong memories. But as many homeowners have learned, that dream can quickly turn into a nightmare when things go wrong. In a popular Reddit thread, one user asked which homeowner mistake cost you the most money. The responses flooded in with real-life disaster stories, and we're here to count down 14 of the biggest homeowner mistakes and how you can avoid them. Without further ado, let's dive in to 14 real-life homeowner disasters and how to dodge them. Number 14, ignoring outdated plumbing. This Redditor put off replacing their aging water heater despite warnings in the home inspection. The result, a flooded basement and a $10,000 repair bill. Those inspection reports aren't just paperwork. They're a roadmap for avoiding costly disasters. Replacing old systems like water heaters before they fail can save you big time. Number 13, not checking for mold. Mold can turn into a nightmare if left untreated. This homeowner found it hidden in their walls and their HVAC system, and the remediation bill hit $10,000. To avoid this, regularly inspect damp areas like basements and bathrooms, and always address even the smallest signs of mold before they spiral out of control. Number 12, not checking the electrical panel. A faulty electrical panel can lead to major repairs or even fire hazards. Always have a professional check your electrical system, especially if your home is older or undergoing renovations. Number 11, buying a flipped house without a thorough inspection. Flipped houses may look shiny and new, but behind the cosmetic updates, there could be hidden issues. One homeowner found themselves forking over $20,000 for HVAC and flooring repairs after moving into their flipped house. Always get an independent inspection, no matter how good the house looks on the surface. Number 10, ignoring termite damage. Termites can silently destroy your home from the inside out. This homeowner discovered the full extent of the damage years later. Regular pest inspections, especially in termite-prone areas, can help catch these destructive pests early and save you a small fortune. Number 9, not checking the HVAC system. Imagine your first winter in a new home and the heat goes out entirely. This Redditor had to replace their HVAC system. Avoid this costly mistake by thoroughly inspecting HVAC systems before buying a home and keeping up with regular maintenance. Number 8, buying a foreclosure without a proper inspection. Ugh. Foreclosures can seem like a great deal, but they often come with hidden issues. This homeowner faced roof, HVAC, and pool repairs. Make sure you get a thorough inspection of any foreclosed property. What looks like a bargain could end up costing you more than expected. Number 7, not checking wells and water systems. Ugh. Well water systems can be full of surprises. As one homeowner learned, when rusty water started flowing through their faucets, they ended up spending $10,000 on a filtration system. If your new home has a well, always test the water quality before closing the deal. Number 6, ignoring roof issues. In a hot real estate market, it's easy to overlook crucial inspections, but that could leave you with a hefty repair bill. Don't rush the process, always get the roof checked, even in a competitive market. Number 5, not checking for asbestos. Older homes can hide dangerous materials like asbestos, which is expensive to remove. One homeowner ended up paying $45,000 in asbestos remediation after starting a renovation. Always test for asbestos in homes built before the 1980s before you start any demolition. Number 4, buying out an ex after divorce. Divorce isn't just emotionally draining, it's financially taxing too. Number 3, not getting a sewer scope. Skipping a $600 sewer inspection, especially when you suspect there might be something wrong, can cost you. It cost this homeowner more than $30,000 when they had to replace the entire line. Number 2, ignoring foundation issues. Foundation problems are some of the most expensive to fix. This homeowner spent $60,000 repairing theirs. If you notice any cracks in the foundation or uneven floors, get a second opinion and address the issue early. Number 1, not replacing old windows. This sounds innocuous enough, but it made the number 1 spot for just how much it cost. One homeowner was shocked when the cost of replacing theirs hit $80,000. Replacing old windows in phases can help spread out the cost and improve your energy efficiency over time. And that's our countdown of the 14 most costly homeowner mistakes from real people who lived through them. These are lessons learned the hard way, but with a little planning, you can avoid the same disasters. And when things go wrong, Bidmii is here to help. Our platform connects you with trusted contractors who can handle repairs quickly and professionally with funds held securely in trust. Post your next project on Bidmii and protect your home from becoming a cautionary tale.